Tonight I can tell you straight away, this nation is sound, this nation is secure, this nation is on the march to full economic recovery and a better quality of life for all Americans.
It wasn't that way 2 years ago. But in one of our darkest hours, America suddenly had a new kind of president.
I am acutely aware that you have not elected me as your president by your ballots. So I ask you to confirm me as your president with your prayers.
A new leader who had not sought the job, but was prepared for it. A tough man when he had to be. But above all, a decent man who from his first hours has worked to restore the honor of the White House.
When I came to this Oval Office, I tried to get people to speak up to me, even though they disagreed. I tried to make the atmosphere in the Oval Office more relaxed rather than austere, and I just wouldn't be comfortable making people snap to just because I'm president. So the net result is, I think we have certainly created in the Ford administration a non-imperial presidency.
He likes to have the people on different sides of the issue in front of him in the office. He sits back and listens and relaxes, and at the end of that, he feels he's much closer to the issue that must be decided than if he were merely to look at a piece of paper.
There's one issue that which I disagreed on, and it's clear, and that's the issue of busing. I mean, my feeling is different from that of the other people in the administration. But once again, I have the feeling that the president has taken my views into full consideration and weighing them. I can't say that his conclusion is wrong.
He sets a very high standard, and he does it in a way that is not objectionable or abrasive. He doesn't have to holler or throw books to let a person know that they haven't performed up to the standard that he expects.
This new and quiet style of leadership has not just ended a decade of tension between the people and their president. It's helped create a new optimism about America. Firm leadership against the Congress has helped bring inflation down. Steady leadership has helped produce 4 million jobs in 17 months. Decisive leadership has helped achieve a world at peace. Calm, dependable leadership has helped build a nation at peace.
By keeping our cool and working a good many hours, we've gotten it all turned around. I think we'll do better with the Congress in the next 2 years. We certainly are doing better with the economy. We don't have any military conflicts to take our mind off of making a better quality of life here in the United States for 215 million Americans. We're on the brink in this country, in my opinion, because we did good things, made tough decisions in the last 2.5 years, and I want to be president when we can really blossom in this new era, the new third century of America.
Forceful, as with the vetoes. Bold, as with the Mayaguez. But always, the power of the office tempered by the decency of the man. He's making us proud again.
And right now I predict that the American people are going to say that night, Jerry, you've done a good job. Keep right on doing it.